In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog, part 1, Hostinger Website Builder Tutorial. We'll walk through the very first steps to get your blog underway using the Hostinger Website Builder. This platform is known for being user-friendly, so even if you've never built a site before, you'll feel right at home. Let's get started by heading straight to the Hostinger website. Think of this as your central hub. Everything you do for your upcoming blog begins here. On the homepage, locate the login area and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create it. Having an account unlocks the tools you'll rely on for designing, writing, and managing your content. Once you're logged in, look to the top menu and click on the Websites tab. This page displays all the websites tied to your account in one clean overview, which makes it easy to see what you're working on. If you have more than one site, this is a great way to keep everything organized and quickly jump to the right project. Next, find the website you want to work on and click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder interface, which is designed to make changes feel intuitive. You won't need to write code. Instead, you'll use clear menus and visual tools to shape your blog. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation bar. This is your control panel for customizing the site. Among the options, click on Blog. This dedicated section is where you'll manage your posts, set up categories, and review comments. Keeping things organized here helps your readers navigate your content easily and helps you stay on top of your publishing schedule as your library grows. Inside the blog section, look for the button labeled Add New Post. Click it to start crafting your first article. You'll land in the blog editor, where you can enter a descriptive title and write your content. Take a moment to structure your post with clear paragraphs and use the formatting options to improve readability. Headings, bold text for emphasis, and links where they add value. A well-structured post keeps readers engaged from start to finish. As you write, use the real-time preview to see exactly how your post will appear before it goes live. This is a great way to double-check spacing, alignment, and overall flow, so everything looks polished. That's it for part 1. You've learned how to log in, navigate to your site, open the builder, access the blog area, and start your first post with a live preview. In the next parts, we'll dive deeper into customizing your design and improving visibility for your posts. Stay tuned and happy blogging.